Hello, welcome to Student Success 101 series. Today we're going to be looking at the study skill known as reading to learn. Reading in college. There's a lot of it, right? There's a lot of reading in college. You're going to have textbooks for almost all your classes. You're going to have supplemental reading you need to do for research papers, and additional texts are going to be thrown at you left and right. Not to mention online resources. There's a lot of reading in college. And it's different. It's different. It's not like a newspaper or a blog that you're reading online, right? It is sometimes very dense stuff with vocabulary that you don't know, and it's often experts written for experts. So it is really different. It's not light reading, okay? But it's really important too. Keep in mind, you have very little contact time with your instructors. So a vast majority of the way you learn stuff is through reading. So reading to learn centers around this idea, right? So you're trying to learn information while you're reading it. So as a result, your reading needs to be active, focused, slower, and intentional. It doesn't need to be perfect, right? But it does need to be active, focused, slower, and intentional. You're trying to learn the material as you're doing the reading. It's different than reading a blog or reading a tweet or something like that, right? It is very different along those lines. You're trying to learn something, right? So remember, you aren't just reading things in college, you're reading to learn. So look for more study skills in this series. Particularly, we're going to delve into some other reading techniques here, and be sure you reach out to your supports. All right, keep in mind here at LCCC, we do care about your success. Have a good one.